Lowrider. Beautiful. Hello YouTube, welcome to Lowrider Cruise. And today, beautiful lowriders helping. Lowrider problems. Not good.
Mira, ya le agarró perro, ya. Show. No que no hacía 3 llantas, papá.
Yes, Rarest Cruise.
¿Hace o no hace 3 llantas?
Más que no le dobla casi el volante, no se le cambia todo.
Clean right.
Ya le agarró.
Ya le, a ver, ahora para el otro lado. Pinche pilla, cabrón.
Oh, good helping. Oh, looks at the Lowrider, beautiful Lowrider, unique Lowrider. Text. Beautiful. Small block and G. Good condition. Beautiful interior. Oh, golden brown.
What up, fam?
Whoa.
1998 Chevy Blazer for sale, 17.5 OBO or trade. I'm looking for a mini truck extended cab with the Z-Rack or tilt bed. 1997 Lincoln or any type of Lincoln or a Cadillac Fleetwood. Quick little rundown. It's a 98 Chevy Blazer 4-door, fully custom, high lockup, frame partially reinforced. 2-link wishbone, differential reinforced, 2-pump setup with 5 batteries, high lockup, 16-inch cylinders in the rear, 10s in the front, 13x7 custom made zenith. Interior is all done up, mirrored out, patterned out, leafing. We got some engraving on these parts right here. Engraving on the bumper. So let me know what y'all got, man. For sale,
Beautiful
for trade.
range, yeah.
Clean.
Oh, Impala wagon Lowrider.
Alright guys, so this is the 1987 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. I apologize if my hands are shaking, it's cold out here. Gonna try to hold it as steady as possible. Super clean. Rims are like about half a month old. Tires are as well. I'll post some pictures of the interior tomorrow since the lighting is not the best on the interior right now because it's nighttime. But yeah, I just finished washing this one. 6,000 shipped. I'm firm on that price. I will not come down on that price. Let me know, hit me up. 350 V8 engine. It's fuel injected, sorry. That's the only piece missing. It's a little filler. I had it, but I lost it. It's got sunroof. Yes, the sunroof does work. Let me know. Peace.
Oh, it is so sound.
Yeah.
Corey. Oh, Lowrider Cruise and the bridge. Look at that Lowrider, beautiful. What's a model here for no making comments?
I say hit 3-wheel when you go out. As
Hey, sit.
Oh, sad. Lowrider problems. That's fire extinguisher.
Is the video like that?
Should be able to get underneath like that and then do it. You know what? I like the tires. got the, what do you call it?
Beautiful interior.
Coming down a little bit, that needs to be redone.
Cool.
Yeah. I think it has 81 or 91,000 original miles.
What year is it?
Original radio.
What year is it?
Good condition.
What year is it?
Slate 5 XL. And that's a luxury Lowrider. Beautiful.
Oh, so you only get the little portion of the 25%. Oh, no. 25% is probably that's margin. But you get only a portion.
Coley.
And then they'll pay you back. They write it down. Like, oh, if I get 21 though. And after the house is paid off. It's story. Alright, come on. Headlines. Sure, buddy. Oh, yeah? Cool.
The nuts and Lowriders. Beautiful. Yeah, have been. Good ride. Beautiful ride on highway. Cool. Okay, thank you for watching. Click like if you like and subscribe. Bye bye.